Ready to grate like a pro? Let's unlock your inner cheese master safely.
First, always find a stable surface. No wobbling graters allowed on our watch. Grip it right. Hold the grater by its handle with a firm, confident grasp.
Choose your cheese, choose your side. Different holes, different textures.
Always grate with downward strokes. Let gravity help you, not hurt you. Tuck those knuckles. They're your built-in shield against accidental scrapes.
For extra safety, consider a cut-resistant glove. Your fingers will thank you.
When the cheese gets small, grab a fork or a food pusher. No heroics needed. Take a mini break. Repetitive motions can strain your wrists and hands.
Stay focused. Grating needs your full attention, not your phone's.
Cleaning time. Use a stiff brush, not your fingers, to clear the holes.
Dry it thoroughly. A slippery grater is a tricky grater.
Store it safely. Sharp edges should be tucked away, not sticking out. You've got the skills. Enjoy your perfectly grated cheese, safely and deliciously.